Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Spring, and today I'm finally taking down my Christmas decor a little bit later than usual, but with me working full time, I had to get this done. So let's get started in today's video.
Even though I'm wasting time, I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not.
So to get this decorating started, I like to start off with our formal living room first, and to keep myself from getting overwhelmed with all the decorations, I put the boxes that I needed for each room. So I don't have a big pile of boxes sitting in one area, and it just seems to get overwhelming for me. So as I mentioned, I just like to categorize each of the boxes in each of the rooms, so that way I know that each of the decor pieces go in there. Alright guys, so as I was editing my video, I was laughing because I noticed, I always, most of the time, keep my hair up in a bun, and this was the day that I had just gotten out of work, just changed out of some of my uniform. But while I was editing this video, I noticed that I have my bobby pin sticking out of my bun. I'm like, what is that sticking out of my hair? What did I get in my hair at work? And I noticed they were the bobby pins. So I never noticed that they were practically coming out from my bun. So if you see them there, that's what it is. It's big oversized bobby pins that I use for my hair. I have very thick long hair, so that's what it is. Don't mind it. I tried to do what I could, to take as many pieces out, because it was kind of like one of those things like you see that's maybe uneven or out of order, and it's kind of like bothering you. So that's what happened, guys. So excuse the bobby pins sticking out from my bun. But yeah, that's what happens. Must have been a long day at work and whatnot. But anyway, just wanted to let you know that's what's sticking out of my bun is bobby pins. So this year I tried to be a little bit more organized than last year with putting away my Christmas decor. Of course, I did get new pieces, and I had to buy a few new boxes, but I just tried to keep everything organized, like my garlands together, ribbons and ornaments and whatnot. So that's what I tried to do. I didn't put everything away as organized as I'd like, but I just got really crunched with time. So I definitely just really wanted to get everything undecorated. And just with the new year here, I just wanted my home to feel nice and clutter free for just a little bit before I start decorating for Valentine's Day. I haven't even as of yet put out any new decor. I have been looking for some new decor pieces, and I'm just looking around to see what it is that I really want and what types of pieces that I want to add in. I have my eye on a few things. I haven't bought them yet, but I will definitely make a decision soon. So I am now moving on to my Christmas tree, and as I mentioned, I just like to keep everything as categorized and organized as I possibly could. But as I mentioned, just moving on to my tree, and as I was undecorating my tree, I thought, oh shoot, I should have undecorated this with the lights on, just to let my Christmas tree shine one more time before it goes in the box for the next 10 to 11 months. So later on you'll see me turn on the Christmas tree lights just to see it all lit up one last time. But I definitely had so much fun decorating this tree, and believe it or not, I have already decided on a theme for this year's Christmas decorating. It's super fun. I can hardly wait to share it with you, but I definitely want to start decorating probably late October, early November, just with me waiting so long, because I always feel like I don't want to skip out on Thanksgiving, and I know I never have, but I just noticed with me waiting so long to decorate for Christmas, it honestly just stole a lot of time with the decorating, and I didn't get to spend a lot of quality time with my family. So for sure this year I will definitely be decorating earlier and just being able to spend more time with my family, such as like doing crafts and baking with them and just spending more quality time. So just wanted to share that with you. So now that I'm pretty much done with the formal living room, I just want to give you an overview of what I have going on behind the camera. It's not always what you see right in front of you. I just want to let you know, like, it can get a little bit overwhelming with all the boxes and the decor everywhere. But I just wanted to give you an overview of what's going on. But now that all the decor is taken down, I am going to move our piano back in front of the window. Typically, I don't like to have furniture pieces in front of our window. I just always like to see that clear view. But this is where I'm putting our piano right now. This is just kind of the situation that's working for us. And then I'm moving our two sitting chairs back up against the the wall that's behind our stairs, just to open up this space a little bit more. I love how open it feels again without the Christmas tree there. Not that I don't love it, I always do, but I always also enjoy all the openness and the space that we have after we're all done with Christmas. Guys, so I also want to share with you that the beginning of February, I am going to be having a Valentine's party for my family. Pretty much anytime that I can think of a reason to throw a party for my family, I will. But either way, I've always done a Valentine's party for my kids. They can tell you stories of one of their most memorable Valentine's parties that I've had for them. So now that all of our kids are young adults and older teenagers, I'm still throwing them a Valentine's party, so I'm really looking forward to it because I'm get to share it with you guys as well. So be on the lookout for that. Make sure you're subscribed and your bell notifications are turned on. Now, this is a few hours later in the day, moving on to the cleanup in our dining area. We had dinner, and then I definitely wanted to get our dining room all packed away. So I'm moving on to that, and I ran out of time, guys. It got super late, and I did take down the decor in our family room. I just didn't get to film that. I was in my PJs and thought that was kind of inappropriate for myself anyway to film that. But I am just packing everything away here in our dining room, and I want to thank you so very much for watching today's video. Your support means so very much to me, and I love putting together videos for you all. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Be sure your bell notifications are turned on so you won't miss it. We'll see you again, friends. Bye bye.